In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unable to publish error in Webflow Designer. Open the Webflow website and go to your project list. Hover over the project you want to work on, then click Open in Webflow to launch the designer. Once the designer loads, move to the top right corner and click Publish. This is where the error appears when the publish fails. Look just below the Publish button to identify the Unable to Publish message. Now open a new browser tab. In the address bar, go to status.webflow.com. When the page opens, look at the banner at the top. If it says all systems operational and it shows green, that means Webflow is not currently having a platform issue, so you can continue to the next fix. If the banner shows an active incident related to publishing or designer, then the problem is on Webflow's side, and you need to wait for them to resolve it. To confirm, scroll down to the incident section and check that there is nothing active affecting publishing. Go back to your Webflow Designer tab. Next, do a hard refresh to clear cached files from the session. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus R. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. Wait while the designer reloads fully. After the page comes back, go to the top right and click Publish again. Check yoursite.webflow.io, then click Publish to selected domains and see whether the publish completes. If the error still appears, open a new incognito or private browser window. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N. In that private window, go to the Webflow website and log in. Open the same project again in the designer. Once it loads, click Publish in the top right corner. Check yoursite.webflow.io, then click Publish to selected domains. This checks whether the issue is being caused by browser extensions or an old login session. If publishing still fails, the next fix is to remove site-wide custom code. This is especially relevant if the error says invalid CSS or publish could not be completed. In the designer, go to the top left corner and click the hamburger menu. In the menu, click Site Settings. A new tab opens with the Site Settings page. On the left sidebar, click Custom Code. On the Custom Code page, scroll to the Head Code section. Click inside the Head Code box. Select everything in that box by pressing Ctrl plus A on Windows or Command plus A on Mac, then delete it. After that, scroll down to the Footer Code section. Click inside the Footer Code box, select everything the same way, and delete that as well. Once both fields are cleared, go to the top right and click Save. After saving, scroll back up. Click Publish in the top right corner. Check yoursite.webflow.io. Then click Publish to selected domains. If the site publishes successfully now, then the custom code was causing the problem. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the error continues, restore the site from a recent backup. In the designer, go to the left sidebar and click the gear icon to open the settings panel. Inside that panel, click Backups. You'll see a list of automatic and manual backups. Hover over the backup you want to use. First, click the eye icon to preview that backup in a new tab and confirm it is the version you want. Then go back to the Backups panel in the designer. Hover over that same backup again, and on the right side, click the three-dot menu. From that menu, click Restore. A confirmation dialog appears. In that dialog, click Restore Backup. Webflow creates a pre-restore backup automatically before it rolls the site back. Wait a few seconds while the designer reloads with the restored version. When the restored version finishes loading, go to the top right and click Publish. Check yoursite.webflow.io, then click Publish to selected domains. The restored version should publish cleanly. After the fix works, the Publish button changes to a green Published confirmation with a timestamp. If you open yoursite.webflow.io in a new tab, your latest live version will be there, and the red Unable to Publish error will be gone.